irrespective of their caste, communities, religion, sex, creed, place of birth, differentiates.
Madam, please unmute yourself.
We are not audible to ma'am.
Now I'm audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So again I will start.
No, we just missed last 2-3 sentences. Otherwise, you are perfectly audible.
Okay. What is our mission? What is our mission of Vivekananda Lok Sangsad? You want to cooperate each and every sector, each and every age group of the society, how they come forward, केमिति सेमाने आगो को आसीबे, and to make change their life, to change their attitude, to change their belongingness, and to change also their vision. So mission is bring about a social change, spiritual change among the youth, irrespective of their caste, sex, religion, place of birth, socio-economic status, each and every birth. So a small act of kindness, interaction, counseling, thoughtfulness can bring about a change through social development and through journey. Through their journey means their journey of life, जीवनर ଯାତ୍ରା ଉପରେ ଯେଉଁ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଆସିବ ତାହା ତାଙ୍କୁ ବିକାଶର ଶିଖରରେ ପହଞ୍ଚେଇବ। ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଆଜି ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स माने जो माने आज आम सहित अछंती सेमानक पई जणाई देबा चाहे आमे दी जण पैनलिस्ट को आज पाइछु, 2 पैनलिस्ट, and more or less most of the students are also already interact with them because both are very popular in Koraput district. One is Dr. Latika Mishra and another one person Dr. Madhav Kumar Bisoi. ये दुही को आमे पाइछु असिस्टेंट रीजनल डायरेक्टर ऑफ इग्नो रीजनल सेंटर कोरापुट रीजन, आंचलिक क्षेत्र इंदिरा गांधी मुक्त विश्वविद्यालय रे दी जण असिस्टेंट रीजनल डायरेक्टर भावरे काम करंती एवं प्रायतः कॉलेज both government sector, non-government sector and also private sector, they are also touching to each and different sphere of activities, different organizations also. They also motivate the youths, not only the youth age groups but also the age group of different sector, because education is a lifelong process. It is a continuous process, continuous journey, how a people prepare themselves to come forward to read, to learn and to join in different courses आमे हमको देखिचे। But the great thing is, my dear students, आमे आज आउ जने व्यक्तित्व को भेटिवा, the Honorable Secretary of Sri Vivekananda Lok Sangsad, Dr. Chitaranjan Naik sir. Sir, please you come with your video, sir, because पिला माने sir sir को आमे देखिबा। sir आज हम सहित अछंती। So again I am welcome to all participants, all dignitaries, all 2 panelists or resource person, Latika madam and Bisoi sir. Now it is a time of welcome song. So I would like to request Lipsa, one of the student belonging the Department of Political Science. She is a very dedicated student and committed student. So again, my request to Lipsa, please sing your welcome song to today this webinar. Please you come in video, Lipsa. youth inspiration song.
Good morning to all. This is Manasin Barik, presenting the welcome song. ଯୁଗ ଯୁଗର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ଆଜି ସଫଳ ସାକାର କରିବୁ ଆମେ ଯୁଗ ଯୁଗର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ଆଜି ସଫଳ ସାକାର କରିବୁ ଆମେ ଧ୍ୱଂସମୁଖୀ ଧରାରେ ନବ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ଯୁଗ ଯୁଗର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ଆଜି ସଫଳ ସାକାର କରିବୁ ଆମେ ଧ୍ୱଂସମୁଖୀ ଧରାରେ ନବ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ମାନବିକତାର ଦଗ୍ଧ କାନନେ ପ୍ରୀତିର କୁସୁମ ଫୁଟାଇ ଦିନେ ମାନବିକତାର ଦଗ୍ଧ କାନନେ ପ୍ରୀତିର କୁସୁମ ଫୁଟାଇ ଦିନେ ଶାନ୍ତିର ମହକ ବୁଣି ପ୍ରତିରୁଧି ଅଶାନ୍ତି କଷଣ ହରିବୁ ଆମେ ଅଶାନ୍ତି କଷଣ ହରିବୁ ଆମେ ଯୁଗ ଯୁଗର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ଆଜି ସଫଳ ସାକାର କରିବୁ ଆମେ ଧ୍ୱଂସମୁଖୀ ଧରାରେ ନବ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ପୁରାତନ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଜୀବନ ଧାରା ଋଷି ମୁନିଙ୍କର ତ୍ୟାଗରେ ଭରା ପୁରାତନ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଜୀବନ ଧାରା ଋଷି ମୁନିଙ୍କର ତ୍ୟାଗରେ ଭରା ଧର୍ମ ସନାତନ କର୍ମ ମହାନ ବିଜୟ ନିଶାଣ ଧରିବୁ ଆମେ ବିଜୟ ନିଶାଣ ଧରିବୁ ଆମେ ଯୁଗ ଯୁଗର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନକୁ ଆଜି ସଫଳ ସାକାର କରିବୁ ଆମେ ଧ୍ୱଂସମୁଖୀ ଧରାରେ ନବ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ ନିରିମାଣ ଆଶା ଭରିବୁ ଆମେ Thank you.
Thank you, Lipsa, for your inspired melodious song. Now I request Dr. Chitaranjan sir, our family member, and taking all the responsibility of Sri Vivekananda Lokasang sir, it is time for you to interact with the participants, and we are eagerly waiting for your kind words, sir. Please.
Respected moderator, Dr. Jhansi Singh, Honorable Resource Persons, Dr. Latika Mishra and Dr. Madhav Bisoi, and I see senior people like Bipin Satpathy sir, Krishna Chandra Sahu sir, Dr. Sadangi, and a few more. And apart from them, a large number of youngsters are present. I cannot easily recognize them, but from their photographs, from their profile picture, I recognize that these are youngsters. And that is the biggest happiness. And there lies the success of the program, that this program is meant for them only. So a very good morning to all of you. I will just say a few words because our resource persons are to educate you, are to interact with you about problems. Friends, this program is specially targeted to create some sort of skills, some sort of know-how, some sort of technicalities, that how to make yourself employable. Because employment is, Nivedita, please mute yourself.
Okay.
employment is a you know vital
Thapare.
characteristics. Employment is one of the identifying characteristics of a human being. So when your recognition, your identity is asked for, the first thing people ask, where is he working or where is she working? So work is the first characteristics that creates the face value in a person. And that is the sole, if you identify a few characteristics which education should do, why should we get education? Education is supposed to make people employable. It is not just simply character making. What is the use of that character if one cannot stand on its own feet? We have to stand on our own feet. Swami Vivekananda has visualized education in that way. He was emphasizing for character making, assimilation of ideas. But his emphasis was also on man making, you know, by imbibing some traits, some characteristics by which one should stand on his own feet. Self-dependence. That is the first most requirement of being educated. An educated person should possess a characteristic which you can say self-dependent, independence. So that is needed. Independence of mind, independence of economic living also. We should not be dependent on others. So how can that be done? We say in the present day, employment is a major source of a crisis. Youth are being attracted towards Maoism. They are putting guns in Jammu and Kashmir and opening fires on their own people. Why is this? It is said that if 500 rupees note is given, then they are asked to pelt stones on their fellow citizens. They are doing that. So had they been well educated and well employed, I doubt whether those people could have done things like this. So education, employment is a social necessity. It is needed for you, it is needed for the society. And if we are getting good employment, we can add some social value. Then the question is, nobody wants to remain unemployed. But why people don't get employment? They struggle for years and years. One thing which comes to my mind is that we lack in acquiring some skills. I will talk about life skills. Just in 2-3 minutes, I will wind up my version. We lack miserably in acquiring life skills. You people might have come across some sort of texts, what are life skills. So those skills which will make ourselves efficient in the real life. That may be problem solving skill, because very often we will be facing problems. So we should have some skill to handle those problems. There may be problem of a communication. So communication is a skill. Even you see, two shopkeepers are there in your vicinity. One is successful, not the other. Why? The person who talks well, who speaks well conversant, acquires a lot many of customers. Whereas the other person, despite of all his honesty, he draws, he fails in drawing that crowd of customers to his shop. So communication is a very great skill. Critical thinking. So what is to be done, what is not to be done, which one is correct, which one is wrong. This kind of discriminating things. A skill to assimilate ideas, skill to discriminate ideas. So I think these two are very, very essential, which you can call that these are, critical thinking skills that is needed. Decision making. while passing your matriculation, you take a lot of time. Should I go for science? Should I go for arts? After getting through the graduation, so you again think, should I go for post graduation? Shouldn't I? Okay. Should I opt for civil service? Should I opt for banking? Okay. So where should I go? So all these things you face problems. Some are in on mute mode. Please mute yourself. That is distracting. Then so many skills are needed, and I humbly request all of you, those who are seeking employment, one particular skill which is needed most, that is communication skill. And where do we lack in communicating? In order to be well conversant, we should have some knowledge. With knowledge, we need to have some sort of confidence. These two are complementary to each other. If we don't have knowledge, we may not have confidence. It is very difficult to gain confidence, true confidence. And unless we have confidence, we may struggle to have knowledge. So that sort of thing is quite needed in us. For that, we have to consult ourselves, devote 4-5 minutes a day to self, to analyze, to concentrate, to meditate. In addition to that, we can consult great people. Yesterday, I was seeing a TV program, a recorded program, in which India TV founder director Rajat Sharma, okay, India TV, Aapka Adalat is a popular program given by Rajat Sharma. The tears were coming from his eyes when he was recalling his days of poverty. He told that it was a 10 by 10 room in which he and his parents were staying at Delhi. And now, Rajat Sharma, I think he is owning that TV channel, and his worth will be more than 1,000 crore. Dhirubhai Ambani example is there. So many people are there. Kapil Dev, a great cricketer, his example is there. So many examples you can find. You just read what was their struggle, how they coped up. So coping up is a life skill which is needed. Very often we will find stress, strain, all these kind of things. So we have to do all these things. Then while I talk about role models, the greatest role model could be Swami Vivekananda himself. So if you take off any one particular line, probably your problem will be solved instantaneously if we just reflect a minute on that. Each line is full of energy, full of strength, full of confidence. Therefore, Swami Vivekananda Lok Sangsad is designed to include thousands of people like you. Vivekananda was meant for many people, but he is specially for youth. He is a person who has never seen his old age. You know what was the lifespan of Swami Vivekananda? Just 39 years, some months. And he created wonder. He had immense love for the youth. And youth of my country will come up and they will solve all the problems. So it is highly needed that you stand up on your own feet and be a person of self. Once you stand tall and strong, with confidence, with zeal, with eagerness, with will, then nothing can stop you. So resource persons are there. They will touch upon the minors of the skills, the attitudes which will make yourself successful. My only submission is that please stay connected with the Koraput chapter or other district chapters of Swami Vivekananda Lok Sangsad. And we have a forum like Vivekananda Yuva Sangsad, which will be led by you people. Then Staying connected is also a skill. Very often we keep ourselves aloof from others. That's not good. Stay with your family, stay with your friends, stay with society. That will give you strength. So with these words, I stop and I thank the SPLS Koraput chapter, which has taken this unique topic dedicated for you people. I wish all success of the program. It is over to you, Jhansi Madam. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your thought-provoking word to our youth. So it is very, very helpful, and rightly you quoted, sir. Youth should stay with society, with family, and also not only take care about their health, their mind, their vital thing, every each and every part of the value system of the society also. So now it is a time of our resource person. Our first resource person, Dr. Madhav Kumar Bisoi sir. So only in very brief, I can introduce to Madhav Kumar Bisoi sir. Bisoi sir is from Assistant Regional Director from 2012 to he belonging to the Department of Political Science, completed his post-graduation at Utkal University and completed his PhD in Delhi University. His dissertation topic is disability and citizenship, and he also published one book. Name of that book is Disability and Employment Policy and Program in India. And many articles of Dr. Bisoi is published in national and international journal. So now I'm welcoming Dr. Bisoi sir. Please sir, you interact with the youth, and you are, sir, we'll give 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, sir. So within the short period, you can interact with the youth, sir. Bisoi sir, please.
Okay, madam. Respected moderator, Dr. Jhansi Singh, madam, and the organizers of this webinar. At the outset, I am very much thankful to Jhansi madam and her entire team for inviting me as the resource person in this webinar. Actually, career building for the youth is a challenging task nowadays. There are many reasons behind this problem. People are very often failing to set their goals. People are very often misguided by some other people in achieving their goals. So there are many reasons behind this career building issue. So this is very interesting webinar that has been organized, and also I am thankful to all the team members for inviting me to this webinar to share few words regarding the issue of career building. Basically, if I will go to the career building issue, I will brief my presentation in two parts. First, I will generalize various issues pertaining to career building in general. Then I will go to the open and distance education. In that part, I will focus upon how to build up your career in open and distance education. So, at first, I will focus upon 4 to 5 points that are required for career building for each and every individual. You know, career building is such a issue which many times which creates a problem for our youth to build up their career, to get a fruitful employment in their life and stand on their own feet. जो कथा सार भी कहूले जे कैरियर बिल्डिंग करबा पई हमकु केते गुडा लाइफ स्किल रा आवश्यकता रहउची आउ पिला माने आजिकल रो जो यूथ मेंबर्स अछंती से माने से लाइफ स्किल को अचीव करिवारे बहुत समय रे फेल्युअर होचंती दैट इज व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम मेन प्रॉब्लम सो इन दिस रिगार्ड I would like to focus upon 4 to 5 points which are required to build up their career successfully and to get themselves employable in the society, and as well as they will also contribute, they will also add some value to our society where we are living. So the first point in this regard I would like to say that is identification of self. Identification of self mean to identify yourself. बहुत समय रे मोर जहाँ अनुभूति बहुत समय रे मो बहुत पिलांग सहित इंटरेक्शन करिछि मु तांको पचारे तमरो स्ट्रेंथ कोन वीकनेस कोन they don't know what is their strength and what is their weakness. If we cannot identify ourselves, if we cannot identify our strength, our weakness, then it is very difficult to set our goal, and it is very difficult to achieve our goal, and it is very difficult to be employable in the society. Teno self identification is the first and foremost criteria for every individual before setting up their goals. तेणु यही क्षेत्र में आमको प्रथम आमर दुर्बलता कौन अच्छी कौ क्षेत्र में आम दुर्बल अच्छे कौ क्षेत्र में आमर स्ट्रेंथ अधिका अच्छी हमको फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई करिया को पड़िबो एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल परस्यू आवर एजुकेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल मु मैथमेटिक्स रे दुर्बल अच्छी किंतु मते कहा जीवो तू साइंस पढ़ मु मैथमेटिक्स रे दुर्बल अच्छी मु जदी साइंस पढ़िबी तो डेफिनेटली आई विल फेल टू अचीव माय गोल. तेणु मोर स्ट्रेंथ कोन मु इतिहास रे स्ट्रांग अछि मु पॉलिटिकल साइंस रे स्ट्रांग अछि पॉलिटिक्स को मु पाखरु देखि परछि देन आई विल गो फॉर पॉलिटिकल साइंस. आई विल गो फॉर आर्ट्स नॉट फॉर साइंस. किंतु आजिकल रो पिला माने वेरियस रीजन रो से माने बायस होचंती आ बायस है कि निजर जो एप्रोप्रिएट डिसिप्लिन चूज करि परनांती आफ्टर मैट्रिकुलेशन पर्यंत हमर समस्तन पई समान रहउची. तेणु आफ्टर मैट्रिकुलेशन हमें जो स्ट्रीम चॉइस करते से स्ट्रीम चॉइस टाको हमें बायस है कि चॉइस करते जोटा कि आदौ उचित नुह. So according to the interest, according to the strength of the learners, they should choose their stream and they should go further. This is the first point. I think this is most important point for career building for each and every citizen. Second point I would like to come, that is ideal utilization of time. Many times I have seen people are wasting their time. For example, जने स्टूडेंट ग्रेजुएशन करूची तार परीक्षा ईयर एंड रे होची से पूरा वर्ष सारा तार समय अन्य सब कार्य रे अतिबाहित कर दबो किंतु जेते बेले परीक्षा आसीबो तार परीक्षार 10 दिन आगु से पढ़िबा आरंभ करिवो किंतु आउ जो 365 दिन 350 दिन that is going west जदि सेही समय गुड़ा को आम सदुपयोग करवा आउ ताकू आमे हमर जो एसेंशियल कार्य रे विनियोग करवा ताहले सेही समय रे आमे जेउ नॉलेज गेन करवा जो कथा सर भी कहउथिले जदि हम पाखरे नॉलेज नहीं ताहले डेफिनेटली वी विल लैक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस को आमे गेन करि परिबानी जदि हम पाखरे नॉलेज नहीं तेणु नॉलेज रो आवश्यकता बहुत रही कैरियर बिल्डिंग करबा पई जो समय गुडा को आमे अजथरे वेस्ट करूचे अननेसेसरली वेस्ट करूचे सेही समय को जदि आमे नॉलेज गेन करबा पई यूटिलाइज करबा ताहले हमर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़िबो एवं वी मस्ट बी एम्प्लॉयबल इन द सोसाइटी केमिति हमें नॉलेज गेन करबा केमिति हमें ताको यूटिलाइज करबा फॉर एग्जांपल आमे हमर टारगेट रहिबो जदि हमें टारगेट करबा एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी पई ताहले हम पाखरे अपॉर्चुनिटी रहउची गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट तीनटा एरिया रहउ पई से तीनटा एरिया को नेई कि हमें आगु बढ़िबा गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट आउ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट से तीनटा एरिया को नेई कि हमें आगु को बढ़िबा तो जदि हमें टारगेट करते गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयमेंट पई ताहले हमको आम पाखरे सेतिकी नॉलेज नहीं ताहले हमको सेतिकी नॉलेज गेन करिया पड़िबो केमिति गेन करबा ना विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव आर्टिकल्स पढ़िबा विभिन्न कॉम्पिटिटिव बुक्स पढ़िबा इफ नेसेसरी हमें कॉम्पिटिटिव कोचिंग पॉइंट जीवा आ जो समय गुडा को हमें अननेसेसरी करते ताकू हमें सही क्षेत्र रे व्यवहार करबा ताहले हमें हमर समय को ठीक रे यूटिलाइज करि परिबा सेकंड कथा होची जदि हमें प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे चेष्टा करिबा ताहले हमकु प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट पे सिंपल माने क्वालिफिकेशन सिंपल क्वालिफिकेशन रे हमकु प्राइवेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट पाइबा कष्ट एवं ता पे हमकु एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन दरकार पड़े जोटा कि हमें विभिन्न माने रेगुलर लर्निंग सहित विभिन्न सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम मध्य हमें परसु करिकी हमर एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन को बढ़ाई परिबा एवं बढ़ाई की हमर जो बायोडाटा हमें तैयारी करबा सेथिरे हमर जो एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन को शो करिकी हमें हमर अचीवमेंट को देखै परिबा एम्प्लॉयर सामना रे सो दैट आमे गोटे भलो एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्राइवेट सेक्टर रे पाइबा पई समर्थ हेई परिबा तेणु समस्त स्टूडेंट को मोर रिक्वेस्ट रहिबो समय आइडियल यूटिलाइजेशन करबा दरकार सदुपयोग करबा दरकार सो दैट they will be able to get employment in any sector. Third thing, that is self-employment. Self-employment, if an youth is going for self-employment, he must have certain skills. ताको किसी गोटे स्किल्स दरकार लाइफ स्किल्स जो कथा सार कहूथिले कम्युनिकेशन स्किल हो बा टेक्निकल स्किल्स हो बा प्रोसीजर स्किल हो ताको स्किल्स दरकार विदाउट स्किल्स इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल फॉर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट तेणु से स्किल गुड़ा को मध्य हमें हासिल करिया को पड़िबो जदि हमें सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट आड़ को जीवा तेणु से जो स्किल गुड़ा को हमें साइमल्टेनियसली अडॉप्ट करिया पई रिसीव करिया पई हमको हमर समय रो सदुपयोग करिवा निहाती दरकार सो थर्ड पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू कम that is self motivation self motivation is highly essential for each and every individual to build up his or her career successfully. जदि जने स्टूडेंट निजको निजे मोटिवेट करि पारुनी, निजको निजे असेसमेंट करिकि निजर दुर्बलता को आइडेंटिफाई करिकि मोटिवेट करिकि निजको से तार दुर्बलता को जदि एवॉइड करि पारुनी आ से बायस होउचे अन्य मानक द्वारा, ताहले ता पई भी करियर बिल्डिंग करबा बहुत कष्ट हो जिवो। तेणु to build up their career successfully, self motivation is highly essential. Fourth point I would like to say, that is strong commitment towards education. आमे जहाँ भी पाठ पढ़ुचे, मे भी साइंस हो, आर्ट्स हो, कॉमर्स हो, बा टेक्निकल एजुकेशन हो, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन हो, व्हाटएवर, आमे जहाँ भी पाठ पढ़ुचे, we should be committed. Without commitment आमे जेति कि नॉलेज गेन करिया कथा सही पाठ, सही स्ट्रीम, सही डिसिप्लिन रो आमे ताको गेन करि परिबा नहीं। तेणु जो एजुकेशन आमे नौचे, सही एजुकेशन रो जहाँ नॉलेज आमे एक्वायर करिवा कथा ताको केमती सक्सेसफुली एक्वायर करिवा, सेति पई हमर स्ट्रांग कमिटमेंट रहिबा दरकार। विदाउट कमिटमेंट we will not be able to acquire the required knowledge from our discipline, from the education. तेणु समस्त स्टूडेंट को पई कमिटमेंट रो आवश्यकता रही। स्ट्रांग कमिटमेंट, जदि हम पाखे स्ट्रांग कमिटमेंट अच्छी ताहले आमे हमर गोल, एप्रोप्रिएट गोल सेट करि परिबा एवं ताकू अचीव करि परिबा। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सेटिंग अप ऑफ गोल्स। आम जीवन रो लक्ष्य कौन, से कथा जदि आमे पचारिबा पिलांको, पिला कहबे सर आमे जानिनु हमर लक्ष्य कौन, आमे कुआडे जाउचु आमे जानिनु, ट्रेन रे बसिचु, ट्रेन स्टार्टिंग हला कोरापुट रो रहिबो भुवनेश्वर रे, आमे रास्ता रे कोउटी ओलेइबु कि भुवनेश्वर रे ओलेइबु आमे जानिनु। दिस इज अनदर चैलेंज फॉर कैरियर बिल्डिंग। तेणु आम जीवन रो गोटे लक्ष्य रहिबा दरकार जे यस मु ट्रेन रे बसिली कोरापुट रो, मते बालुगां रे ओलेबार अछि आ मोर टिकेट बालुगां पर्यंत अछि, तो मोर लक्ष्य स्थल हला बालुगां, मु सेठी ओलेइबी आ सेठी ओलेबा पई मते जहा जहा करिया को पड़िबो मते करिया को पड़िबो, अदरवाइज आई कैन नॉट ट्रैवल। तेणु निजर गोल सेट करिया दरकार। मु सरकारी चाकरी करिबी बा मु प्राइवेट सेक्टर रे चाकरी करिबी बा मु सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हेबी, सेही गोल आमे हमर बिगिनिंग रो सेट करिया दरकार एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल परस्यू आवर एजुकेशन। ताहाले आमे हमर लक्ष्य स्थल रे पहुंची परिबा। जदि आमे गोल सेट करि परिबानी ताहाले आमे गोल अचीव केमती करिबा, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल। तेणु गोल सेट करिबा प्रत्येक इंडिविजुअल रो गोटे लक्ष्य रहिबा दरकार और तापरे आमे अकॉर्डिंगली आमे हमर एजुकेशन परस्यू करिबा। जदि आमे हमर लक्ष्य रहिबो जे आमे सरकारी चाकरी करिबा ताहाले हमको सेति की टाइम दबा को पड़िबो, सेति की नॉलेज गेन करिया को पड़िबो एवं दरकार पड़ले हमको कॉम्पिटिटिव कोचिंग पॉइंट जीवा को पड़िबो बा कॉम्पिटिटिव आर्टिकल्स, कॉम्पिटिटिव बुक्स, जर्नल्स ए सब रेफर करिया को पड़िबो सो दैट आमे जाई कि हमर लक्ष्य स्थल रे पहुंची परिबा। तेणु गोल सेट करिबा प्रत्येक इंडिविजुअल पई गोटे इंपोर्टेंट टास्क। आ एठी मु गोटे जिंस कहबा को चाहे, गोल सेट कला परे हमको जहाँ जहाँ करने को पड़िबो सेटा हमको निजे ही करने को पड़िबो। आउ हमको निजे को ही सेतिकी नॉलेज एक्सेप्ट करिया पड़िबो रिसीव करिया पड़िबो थ्रू आवर एजुकेशनल सिस्टम आउ आमे जहाँ नॉलेज रिसीव करूचे एजुकेशनल सिस्टम रो ताकू आमे यूटिलाइज करिकी आमे हमरो गोल पाखरे पहुंची जिबा सेहिथिरे हमको हमर बापा माँ भाई भौणी केही भी असिस्ट करि परिबे नाही दिस इज वेरी फ्रैंक तेणु आम निजक निजे ही सेटल करिया पड़िबो सेट करिया पड़िबो हमर गोल पाखरे हमको पहुंचबा पाई से माने एडिशनल सपोर्ट दे पारंती फॉर एग्जांपल से माने फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट दे पारंती मोरल बूस्ट करि पारंती किंतु जेतिकी नॉलेज हमको एक्वायर करबा कथा सेतिक नॉलेज हमको निजक ही एक्वायर करिया पड़िबो तेणु गोल सेट करिकी निजर कमिटमेंट बढ़ाया को पड़िबो गोल अचीवमेंट पछरे सेटा होची मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फॉर एवरी इंडिविजुअल another point I would like to focus upon that is self marketization आजिकल रो जो जॉब मार्केट जेति की कंपटीशन बढ़िलानी चाहे गवर्नमेंट जॉब हो प्राइवेट जॉब हो कंपटीशन बढ़िलानी सेठी प्रत्येक इंडिविजुअल को निजको निजे मार्केटाइज करिया को पड़िबो जदि आमे निजको निजे मार्केटाइज करि पारुने ताहले आमे पछरे पड़िबा एटा निश्चित तेणु सेल्फ मार्केटाइजेशन इज अनदर मेजर पॉइंट इन कैरियर बिल्डिंग आमे केमिति निजको निजे मार्केटाइज करिबा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ए गुड बायोडाटा हमर जो बायोडाटा आमे तयारी करछे दैट शुड बी ए गुड बायोडाटा and our important points should be there and we should focus upon ourselves on that biodata amar biodata padile gote lok clearly bujhi jiba darkar je what kind of knowledge this person has gote biodata padile gote lok bujhi jibo easily je what is the interest of this candidate teno sei boliya हमको biodata बनैया को पड़िबो बनेले जाई कि हमें निजको निजे मार्केटाइज करि परिबा हम जॉब मार्केट रे एस्टैब्लिश करि परिबा सो दीज आर द बेसिक पॉइंट्स रिगार्डिंग कैरियर बिल्डिंग व्हाट आई कैन से एंड ऑल इंडिविजुअल्स शुड टेक केयर ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स इन देयर लाइफ so that they will be able to build up a good career and they will be able to get a good employment in the life. Then I would like to come to the system of open and distance education. All students, they are pursuing their education in the conventional system of education, but they might not aware regarding the open and distance learning, open and distance education system. So here I would like to focus upon.
Excuse me, Latika madam ko daba ki time he aslane tike.
Sir, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Sir. I will focus upon. Then I will give. Okay, sir. So in the open and distance education, you can acquire many knowledge by enrolling yourself. You know, open and distance education, IGNOU is offering its education through open and distance learning, and also you might have known that Odisha State Open University is also offering its education through open and distance education learning. So you can simultaneously enroll in any certificate programs through open and distance learning, so that your qualification, you can enhance your additional qualification by obtaining various certificate programs. So actually on program orientation, Dr. Latika madam is there. She will focus upon various programs of open and distance education. You know, IGNOU is offering its education throughout the country through its large network of study centers, and also you might have the knowledge that there is a study center in Simliguda College, Simliguda of IGNOU. So you can also contact Dr. Jhansi Madam regarding in this program. Though time is running away, so I will conclude my presentation here. And once again, I am thankful to Dr. Jhansi Madam and her entire team for inviting me as the resource person. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Time is more precious, sir, but he rightly discussed about the career building within the 5 points: self-employment, self-motivation, strong commitment, setting of goal, and self-marketization. Now it is time of Dr. Latika Mishra. Latika Madam is a very dynamic lady of undivided Koraput district. Everybody knows she is a great educationist. Started as a career as a teacher, Dudhari School at Simliguda block, and her professional experience of work, she is district pedagogy coordinator, and also she is a specialist of state pedagogy and state research officer NCERT, program officer girls education Chhattisgarh, and presently she is working as a assistant regional director Indira Gandhi National Open University since 2011. Already everybody knows about Madam. Madam belongs in the Department of Education. Already she attended 52 national and international seminars, more than 25 articles published, both national and international journal, 10 chapters also published in different edited book. Her PhD dissertation is based on environmental education. She is also a professional resource person on women education, tribal education, and also open and distance education. So, Madam, it is your time. How a student should make or to prepare herself or himself as a student to start. So, ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ପର୍ଶ କରିପାରିବେ, ତାଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେଟଅପକୁ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ, ବହୁତ ସମୟ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ପୁଣି ଚିତ୍ତ ସାରଙ୍କ କଥାକୁ ପୁନର୍ବାର ଏଠି କୋଟ୍ କରିବି। ଆମେ ସମୟକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦେବା। ତଥାପି ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆପଣ 20 ରୁ 25 ମିନିଟ୍ ନେଇପାରିବେ। Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, madam. Respected the General Secretary of Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad, Dr. Chittaranjan Naik sir, respected Dr. Jhansi Singh madam, the coordinator of this program, and all the members, those who are associated of particularly Koraput branch of Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad, and all the participants, resource persons, dignitaries. It's a great pleasure for me to be here and to share my ideas, views for the development of the youth, those who are present here. Basically, I will not take much time, but whatever things from the beginning, Chitta sir already discussed many things related to life skills and general concept. And after that, BC sir also discussed most of the important points related to the youth, how to go ahead with their career. But now I will focus on specific things so that those specific information pertaining to different programs, different activities, those will be, I hope that this discussion will help the participants, those who are present here, particularly the youth, they can go ahead with their career. So basically, I will start with, but one thing, I'm trying to present, I have prepared one PPT, but I'm not able to share from here. May I request one of the active member of Swami Vivekananda Lok Sansad and Dr. Pradipta Kumar Sadangi kindly share the PPT. I have already shared my PPT with him. So, Pradipta Sadangi, please, if you are there in the meeting, please share the PPT.
प्रदीप सर अछंती प्रदीप सर
Thank you. Please go to slide slow. Make it full screen. Okay, we are not able to see the presentation. Okay, in the meantime, I will start from the views of Vivekanand. So, education, as per the views Dr. Chittaranjan sir already discussed, but basically, Vivekanand, he said that education is the manifestation of the perfection which is already there in men. That is our self-motivation, self-development, and self-empowerment. Everything is there if we will focus on ourselves, if we will focus whatever the strategies already shared by the resource person and by the organizer, if we will focus on self, definitely we can go ahead with our life, we can prosper in our life, and that is also the motto of Vivekananda. So everything is there in human being. We need to inspire our talents, our abilities, our capacities. Then only we can go ahead with our career, with our life. And we know that education is the only means to transfer the norms, knowledge, and skills for the societies. It is only the instrument through which we can go ahead. And higher education, it is very important. Education doesn't mean that we will limit ourselves only with primary or secondary education. We should go ahead with our career only with the help of higher education. Higher education can be used as the weapon for promoting good quality and purposeful life of youth, and the empowerment is possible only through higher education. आमे जदि उच्च शिक्षा हासिल न करिबा ताहले आमे आम करियर रे केबे मध्ये आगु जाई परिबा नाही. And because we know that higher education creates awareness about our rights, and also it will help not only for the development of our personal life, but also for the development of social, economic, and political empowerment of our country. So here the another thing, the most important thing which, yes. Next slide. So higher education in the present context, if you will see that every individual in our country, it is not possible to get higher education through conventional mode of education or through the conventional universities, because the requirements and the as like in the field of the demand and supply, those two things are not in the balanced position. That is why particularly in backward regions, in tribal areas, in hill areas, it's very difficult. Most of the students, they are not able to get higher education as per their requirements because of lack of access of higher educational facilities. So in that situation, we can go ahead with our career through open and distance education, because Bishu sir already discussed about the availability of open and distance education, particularly in Odisha. The most two important universities. One is IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. The other one is Open University of Odisha, State Open University. So, but another thing, there is some doubt. There must be some doubt in the mind of the students. What I observed, particularly from my experience, in Koraput region, not only in Koraput district, in KBK region. এই এরিয়ারে আমি যাহা দেখুছু, most of the students they go
मैडम कटिगले सर चित सर विषय सर आपण ऑफिस रे अछंती माधव विषय सर
आज्ञा आज्ञा
अच्छी
मैडम
अच्छी
मैडम नेट रो कटि गले मैडम कर किछि प्रॉब्लम कहि परिबे
टिके मु देखे
आज्ञा आज्ञा सर प्लीज
Yes, Latika madam is trying to join. She's trying.
any question participants dear students you can put your question or you can write in your message box any doubt Chita sir also with us आमे आम भितरे थिबा किछि संदेह को मोचन करि परिबा किछि प्रश्न पचारि परिबा नीरवर दीटा भाषा नीरवटा खाली चुप हे कि रहि जिबा नुहे हमकु जानिबा को पड़िबो जा जानि ने
मैडम
हां
कंटेम्पोरेरी टाइप ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी केतरा मैडम कोइ देबे की
कोन कहलो
कंटेम्पोरेरी टाइप्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी
कंटेम्पररी टाइप ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी एबे कंटेम्पररी डेमोक्रेसी ता वर्तमान एठा तमे देखो आमे कहा ऊपर आज करूचे कंटेम्पररी डेमोक्रेसी ऊपर आमे क्लास रे पाठ पढिबा ला पूरा पॉलिटिकल साइंस सब्जेक्ट है समसामयिक गणतांत्रिक व्यवस्था कोन आमे वर्तमान हमर जो टॉपिक अछि जो टॉपिक रे वर्तमान हमर चर्चा चलछि
Sorry, madam. Due to disturbance in the network, I am not able to connect. Now I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are very audible, madam. Please, you continue your discussion, continue your interaction.
So actually, why should we go for open and distance education? We know that higher education is important for us, but why should we go for open and distance education? Because open and distance learning plays a significant role in addressing the demand for higher education. presently, the conventional system, if you go for the conventional system, at present, the availability of the conventional system, the facilities available through conventional system and the requirements of the youth, those two things are not matching. That is why we need to go ahead with our career through open and distance learning, through any alternative ways. It's not that this is already discussed. There is a great university with us, in particularly in tribal areas, particularly in hill areas and backward areas. That is IGNO. Not only that, State Open University in Odisha, that is also available with us. But here I can say I do not know whether whatever things I have discussed, whether I reached everybody or not, because I had no information that I have already disconnected. So before going for any universities, we need to read. We need to acquire knowledge about that universities, about the validity of that university. Whatever the degrees you will take through open and distance education, through IGNO, through State Open University Odisha, or through any Berhampur universities or Utkal University or Sambalpur University, through the distance education council, that in degree will be valid. But staying at Korakut, if you want to get degree from any other university outside Odisha, ଯେମିତି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବାହାରର ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ university may be valid, there is no doubt, but you need to understand that whether your degree is valid or not. ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାହୁଁଛେ ହାୟର ଏଜୁକେସନ ଆମେ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିବା, ହାୟର ଏଜୁକେସନ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ନେଉଛେ, ଆମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଯୋଉ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଥ୍ରୁରେ ଆମେ ନେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛେ, ସେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ କି ନାହିଁ। ଯଦି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍, ଆମ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ କି ନାହିଁ। ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁ ୟୁଜିସି ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ, ୟୁଜିସି ର ୱେବସାଇଟରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁ ଆମ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ ଥିବ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ସେଇ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଭ୍ୟାଲିଡ୍ ଥିବ, ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିର ନାଁ ବି ଆମେ ୟୁଜିସି ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ପାଇବା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ନେଉଛେ, କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ରହୁଛେ, Odisha ବାହାରେ ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି, they are not allowed to open study center in Odisha. They are allowed to open their study center in the territorial jurisdiction of Andhra Pradesh only. Similarly, Berhampur University cannot go to open a study center in Andhra Pradesh. So, and similarly, we are staying at Korakut. It means we need to study in any university of Odisha that is established in Odisha. Not only we cannot go to take degree in any of the other universities by staying at Korakut or by staying at Balangir or Bhubaneswar. But there is only one university in India recognized by Government of India and established by the Act of Parliament, that is IGNO. IGNO is the only one university in India which has the recognition that can establish study center all over India in any corner, any village of India. So accordingly, as per your requirements, as per your choice, as per your need, you can take admission and you can receive higher education degrees. Okay. So the purpose of discussing all those things, that if you depend upon the conventional universities, there are so many degrees at presently in the recent trends. If you will confine ourselves in the general degrees or up to graduation, we may not be able to compete in the present society. That is why we need go ahead with our career. Minimum master degree, we need to have minimum master degree for our career, and for that sometimes it's very difficult to get the higher education degrees, particularly in staying different blocks in interior pockets of Odisha. And in that way, we can say, because there is only 3 to 4 universities are there in Odisha and one central university in Korakut. With that conventional system, it's very difficult, particularly for the students of our region, to get master degrees. So in this situation, you can explore the different possibilities and you can explore the open and distance education facilities that is available at your doorstep. And why should we go for distance education? Because distance education provides the access to those students who are willing to learn on their own at their own pace. And distance education is cost effective. The teaching is built into the study material, and also distance education is characterized by flexibility in terms of time, pace, and place. Further, the student support services that is available in distance education, a cluster of facilities you will get through distance education. For your teaching learning process, for your evaluation, for your certification, that is why you can go for distance education as an alternative. If you will think about the National Education Policy 2020 and the open and distance learning, what are the major recommendation of open national education policy, and the in what way open and distance learning can meet that requirements? Because here I just wanted to share one example with you. There is a program in IGNOU that is Diploma in Early Childhood Care and Education. That program is there in IGNOU since last 20 years. But particularly after implementation, after the initiation of this National Education Policy 2020, around 1,000 students, they visited regional center and also study centers to know about the program, to enroll in this program, because the whatever the facilities that is recommended in the NEP, people they have the thought that after completion of this degree, this degree might be useful to give employment to them in different, particularly in health sector, in education sector. So not only that, considering the that experience, I have prepared some of the important programs. Those will be useful for you, because after implementation of this National Education Policy, skill-based programs and vocational education most emphasis was is given in the policy for those aspects. National Education Policy 2020 tries to see the outcomes of education system under three major pillars, such as access, equity, and quality. If you see these three things, you will find the usefulness of distance education. जदि आमे नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी देखिबा ताहाले से अनुसार आमे देखिबा जे हमरो ओपन एंड डिस्टेंस लर्निंग सिस्टम केते दूर हम पई यूजफुल हे परिबो, कारण एक्सेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इक्विटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्वालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. You will not find any differences in the caste, grade, gender, areas or region, nothing. Similarly, NEP also instills skills, values that support commitment to human rights, sustainable development, and global citizenship. Further, one of the important aspects of NEP 2020 that aims to elevate the social status of vocational education. जदि आमे एई क्षेत्र में देखिबा जे vocational education रे importance कौन रहिछि, आमे जदि देखिबा आम कैरियर को जेते बेले आमे 9th 10th रु आरंभ करके कॉलेज पर्यंत आमे आसीथिले, सेते बेले जदि कि vocational education stream रु कि स्टूडेंट आम मेन स्ट्रीम को आसुथिले, आमे सेमान को सेटिक इंपोर्टेंस दउ नथिले. Not only importance, even we can say that we neglect. Even in the education system also, our teacher, our education system neglect those students they qualified themselves in through vocational education. आमे कहू जे से vocational education रे पाठ पढी कि आसीचंदी जनरल स्ट्रीम को, जोथि पई स्टूडेंट्स माने मोस्टली vocational education को सेमान तांको करियर को नबा पई से माने चाहू नाहंती, कारण हमरो सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन हो vocation कहले गोटे टेलरिंग थिबो, अदरवाइज कार्पेंट्री, जहा कि आमे जनरल एजुकेशन रो 99 आमे फोकस देला बेले आमे 1% एज ए जेहेतु सिस्टम रे सेटा रहिछि, एजुकेशन सिस्टम रे हमको ताको कंप्लीट करिबार अछि, तो आमे से अनुसार सेटिक इंपोर्टेंस vocational education को दउथिले. किंतु आमे देखिबा जदि इंडिया कथा आमे चिंता करिबा, इंडिया रो सिचुएशन कथा आमे चिंता करिबा, ताले vocational education रो इंपोर्टेंस डेफिनेटली आम लाइफ रे आम करियर रे इंडिया कॉन्टेक्स्ट रे बहुत किछि रहिछि, because India is one of the highest shares of youth population and the country needs to invest heavily in skill development to utilize the potential resource of the country. And the changing nature of jobs and skill requirements demand a new set of skills. It is also necessary for the education system to align with the changing skill requirements in the employment market. If you will not focus on vocational education and the skills, our youth cannot go ahead with their careers. That is why NEP 2020 aims to integrate vocational education programs into mainstream education in a phased manner. Initially, vocational exposure at early ages in middle and secondary schools, and every child will learn at least one vocation and is exposed to several more. Similarly, the accessibility and exposure of vocational education to 50% of the learners of school and higher education by 2025 as per NEP 2020. But in this context, if you will see that where in the present youth, where we are, we also need to enhance our vocational employability, our vocational skills. If you acquire any degree related to vocational education, definitely we will get chance to prosper our career. So in this context, I can say that there are different kinds of programs available in different universities, like certificate programs, PG certificate programs, diploma programs, PG diploma programs, bachelor's degree, master degree, and also research degree. And we need to so here I can discuss some of the important certificate programs for that will be helpful for you to develop your career. Because why certificate programs? The usefulness of certificate programs. You will say that there are certificate program means the duration is only 6 months. And by doing your present, if you are studying in graduation, if you are continuing your master degree programs, simultaneously you can take another certificate programs. Because certificate program, as per UGC norm, one student can go simultaneously for 2 programs. One is your master degree or bachelor's degree, along with you can get, that is one of the additional program, add-on program. We can say it is add-on program. So just imagine, whenever you go for any interview, you will see that if you have only one, I have only one general degree program, and you have 2 degrees. One is your general degree, and along with one certificate program is with you. Definitely you will be preferred. So that is why, while acquiring knowledge, degrees are also useful. You should try to acquire the degrees. So there are different kinds of certificate programs, like certificate in disaster management, environmental studies, peace studies, food and nutrition, nutrition and child care, rural development, functional English, human rights, consumer protection, anti-human trafficking, NGO management. So similarly, there are different kinds of certificate programs. Along with these certificate programs, certificate program in guidance, business skills, information technology, tourism studies, tribal studies, teaching of primary school mathematics, HIV and family education, social work and criminal justice system, value education, Russian language, not only Russian, French language, German language. There are different kinds of certificate programs available in different universities, and particularly in IGNOU, those certificate programs are available. So the purpose of discussing all those certificate programs, because while there are many students, they are interested in pursuing different kinds of programs based on their interest, abilities, and requirements. So you can choose any certificate program along with your degree programs. Besides that, there are different diploma programs and PG diploma programs. Like diploma, one thing here I also want to share before discussing about those diploma and PG diploma programs. There are programs available for different professions, like for teaching profession, for health education, for health profession, for police personnel, those who want to continue there, for social workers, NGO workers, and for development sectors. So accordingly your choice, accordingly your ability, your degree, you can choose a career and you can select any certificate or diploma or PG diploma or master degree or bachelor's degree programs. Okay. So some of the diploma programs I will discuss, like diploma in early childhood care and education, diploma in nutrition and health education, diploma in panchayat level administration and development, diploma in tourism studies, diploma in creative writing English, diploma in women empowerment and development, diploma in HIV and family education, diploma in modern office practice, diploma in value education. Similarly, there are various PG diploma programs, like postgraduate diploma in international business operation, postgraduate diploma in environment and sustainable development, disaster management, diploma, postgraduate diploma in Gandhi and peace studies, in higher education,
in educational technology, in school leadership and management, in rural development, in pre-primary education, in development studies, in journalism and mass communication, in folklore and culture studies, in women and gender studies, in computer applications, in pre-primary education. So there are different kinds of postgraduate diploma programs available in different sectors, in different universities as well as in IGNOU. If you are not able to go through regular mode, because there are some youth, they are already employed, but they want to develop their career. They want to go ahead with your higher education. So in that situation, you can go for open and distance education. Similarly, you are staying in different block areas and facilities are not available with you. In that situation, you can go ahead for open and distance education, and those programs, what I have discussed, diploma programs, PG diploma programs or certificate programs, those programs are available in through open and distance education system. So just imagine at your home, you will be able to complete those programs and you can enhance your professional capacity, you can enhance your vocational employability. Similarly, there are different bachelor's degree programs, like Bachelor of Arts. Those programs are also available through open and distance education system, like Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Tourism Studies, Bachelor of Computer Application, Bachelor of Social Work. Similarly, there are different master degree programs. Most of the times, master degree programs means we think that master degree in English, Hindi or economics, English, history, political science. But there are some specialized programs like gender and development studies. In rural development, master degree is also there. In sociology, in computer science, in education, in Gandhi and peace studies, in social work, in women and gender studies, in business administration, that is your MBA, in distance education, in journalism and mass education, mass communication, master degree programs are also there. Folklore and culture study, master degree program is also there. So you can choose any program based on your situation, based on your facilities, and you can go ahead with your career. Definitely those programs will be helpful to excel your career. But here I just wanted to share one facility that is available, particularly because I am from IGNOU. So I can say it's a platform to share the facilities. Those facilities are not the facilities of IGNOU, but the facilities providing by the Odisha state government and also by the central government. That is fee exemption and fee reimbursement. Please, there are different, I think most of the participants, those who are from Koraput region, from this area, particularly for the SC, students from SC and ST communities, those facilities are available for them. There are different master, PG diploma and diploma programs and also certificate programs. Completely fee exemption facilities are there in IGNOU. You can take any program, even there are some PG diploma programs, the cost of that program for general category student is 25,000, but for SC and ST category students, completely fee exemption. You are not required to pay even a single pie for your program. Not only that, with that fee exemption facility, you will receive the best study materials for your continue your education. So that is why it is very important for you that you can select any program, you can go ahead. That one thing I can share, that facilities will not be available, opportunities will not be available for all times. So whenever opportunities are there, grab that opportunities and go ahead with your career. Sometimes because it's very difficult to spend money and to get degrees. Most of the students, they are not able in our region, they are not able to spend money for their higher education. So there are also facilities like Odisha state government under Prerana scheme. They are also providing fee reimbursement for master degree programs and also for scholarship. Not only for that, for physically disabled students, those who are not able to continue their higher education, scholarship facilities are also there for them. So please, you just admit yourself in any degree, based on your requirements, and try to grab the opportunity like fee exemption or fee reimbursement and complete your degrees. So another thing is that Dr. Madhav Biswai sir already discussed about the importance of career building, like different how to prepare your CV and how to go ahead for different interviews. Here I can also give some examples, like while going for any interview, Dr. Chittaranjan Naik sir also discussed about some of the life skills and also the communication, importance of communication skills in our life. Here, in that direction, I can also want to supplement something, like what are the major skills required to prosper in your career. There are four important skills. I can say four important areas, like content, observation, and writing and presentation. If you excel in those four areas, then there is no chance that you will not get any job in your career. One is that content, subject knowledge. Subject knowledge is most important. After that, observation, your environment. You should have complete knowledge about your environment, about the society where you are. We can say that field knowledge. The third important area, that is writing. You should try to excel in your writing. And the fourth important, the most important for getting any job, that is the presentation skills. Whatever the knowledge, sometimes the students, they have degrees, they have PhD degrees, and they have knowledge also. There, if you give the classes, they can also take better classes. But while going for interview, if you will not present themselves properly, you will not get the job. Your employability skill depends upon your communication skill, depends upon your presentation skill. In what way you can present your personality before the panelist, before the interview board. So considering all those things, you should try to excel in those four areas. If you excel in those four areas, nobody can stop you to go ahead with your career. The most important thing before attending any interview, before going for any interview, the first, you should present yourself in your resume, in your CV, in your biodata, because your biodata speaks everything about yourself. तेणु आपण माने जेतेले बायोडाटा बा सीवी आमे रिज्यूम तयारी कला बेले आमे केमिति भाबरे तयारी करबा, दैट शुड बी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड ब्रीफ. जेमति आमे प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड देबाक पड़िबो, हमर एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन देबाक पड़िबो, एज वेल एज आउटस्टैंडिंग अचीवमेंट रिलेटेड टू योर स्कॉलास्टिक एंड नॉन स्कॉलास्टिक एरियाज एंड इंपोर्टेंट स्किल्स दैट possessed by you. Those things should be reflected in your resume. ताले आपण को absence रे आपण को resume मध्य जो माने इंटरव्यू बोर्ड रे बसंती बा जो जगह रे आपण माने अप्लाई करंती, से मानकर माइंड जो कहंती जे ब्रेन वॉश करिया पई, से मान को माइंड को मोटिवेट करिया पई टुवर्ड्स यू, टुवर्ड्स योर टैलेंट. योर resume is the only way. So try to build a proper resume. And there are, if you search in the internet, you will find different samples also available. You can prepare your resume accordingly, so that definitely it is you can say it is the framework for your employability. And the important thing, communication skill is also required, and academic professional qualification. Besides that, one tip here I can share with the students: please give your presentation, while giving any presentation anywhere, time management, teamwork, and professionalism. Those three things are most important while presenting yourself in any sector, in any forum, maybe in the interview board or maybe in any sector. And lastly, I can share one example from my experience related to this area. Here, most of the international organizations, like in development, if you want to go for development sector रे जेतेबेले से माने कोनसी टैलेंट को खोजंती, कोनसी कैंडिडेट को खोजंती, से माने जेतेबेले कोरापुट रीजन रे बा एई बोला केबीके रीजन रे से माने खोजंती डिफरेंट पर्टिकुलरली डिफरेंट एरियाज रो, जेमते मु कहउतले डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट हो बा सर्टिफिकेट इन ह्यूमन राइट्स, एई किछि एरिया रे जेतेबेले से माने यूथ को खोजंती, सेतेबेले आमो एरिया रे एई जगह रे लोकन पाखरे सेई बोला टैलेंट न थाए. ସେଇଭଳିଆ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ସ ବି କିଛି କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନଥାଏ ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ କି ୟୁନିସେଫ ଭଳି କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍ସ ଦେ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଏବଲ୍ ଟୁ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ପିପୁଲ ହିୟର ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ରିଜନ୍. They want to give employment to the people of this region here only, but in misfortune we are not able to find people from this experience, from this background. So my request to all the youth, those who are present here, please आपण मानकु समस्त मो रिक्वेस्ट रहिला जो सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम्स मु एठी डिस्कशन कली जो डिप्लोमा पीजी डिप्लोमा मास्टर डिग्री डिस्कशन कली आपण माने जनरल क्वालिफिकेशन सह एमती किछि क्वालिफिकेशन नियंतु जहा कि जेमती हमें कहबा कोरापुट को टूरिज्म रो ओटे हब कहले भूल हब नै किंतु एभली गोटे जगह रे टूरिज्म रो जेते स्टडीज रहिछि आमे देखिबा हम एरिया रे पिलांग पाखरे टूरिज्म रिलेटेड क्वालिफिकेशन नै किंतु आपण पाखरे फैसिलिटीज अछि सर्टिफिकेट प्रोग्राम टू आरंभ करके मास्टर डिग्री पर्यंत आपण मन पाखरे विभिन्न प्रकार प्रोग्राम्स रहिछि बहुत रिजनेबल कॉस्ट रे आपण माने सेई भले डिग्री नै परिबे तेनु सी ताको एक्सप्लोर करंतु ताको एक्सप्लोर करके आपण करियर रे आगो को बढ़िबा को चेष्टा करंतु. थैंक यू ऑल. थैंक यू मैडम एंड थैंक यू फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजर एंड द पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
Thank you madam.
किछि क्वेश्चंस अछि आमे डिस्कशन करिबा.
Thank you madam. Thank you. Many thanks for your valuable discussion and also for valuable information. एठी पिला मानन को कहिबार अछि सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स बहुत किछि प्रोवाइड करछि इंदिरा गांधी ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी एवं डिप्लोमा बहुत समय पिला माने कंफ्यूज होंती डिप्लोमा शब्द को सुनी जे यह केवल साइंस पिला करि परिबे सोशल साइंस पिला करि परिबेनी किंतु मैडम जहा कहिले एवं समय आज समय अतिक्रांत तेणु आम ए सपक्ष भी आलोचना करिपरिबा हमर एई भली कार्यक्रम आगो को भी जारी रहिबो आम सह श्री विवेकानंद लोक संसद संपादक महाशय चित्तरंजन सार आम सहित अछंती आम सहित जोड़ी हिचंती एवं बीरेन सार को भली सीनियर लोक मध्य आम सहित अछंती किछि क्वेश्चन भी आसीची मु भाबुची दि तीनटा क्वेश्चन जो आसी चित्त सर तार आंसर देबा को चाहिबे कि सार इंटरेक्शन करिवे कि पिलांक सहित मेसेज किछि आसीची जमिते
I have seen both the questions, one
sir.
by Prafullo, another by Lipsha.
And,
So
also,
Prafullo wants
also-
to know,
Sir.
am I audible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are very audible, sir.
Yeah. So two questions are here. One is by Prafullo Chodia, another by Lipsha Barik. Prafullo
Sir,
wants
apna video
to
response.
get some.
Sir, अपना video response.
Yeah. हाँ. So Prafullo wants to prepare for SSB and PSC, I think for lectureship. And I'm not getting full confidence. So nobody can give you confidence unless
Yes.
you help yourself. So no words can give you any confidence.
So, sir, it would take a supplement.
I have-
sir,
Yes, madam.
बहु पिला confidence नहीं sir. अपन in general confidence नहीं कोई but we are observing nowadays the youths are losing their
Yeah.
confidence.
The confidence comes through knowledge, actually. Confidence comes through knowledge and hard
Absolutely,
work.
absolutely.
So, are you devoted? Are you dreaming? Or that is wishful thinking? You simply ask yourself if you are serious enough. That should be reflected in your work. So, everything will be secondary. Getting SSB, PSC lectureship, that will be your topmost priority. Your veins will vibrate accordingly. Your body will work accordingly. So you can work for 10-15 hours. If that motivation is within you, then only you can do it. If that is not there, others can simply give you advice which will not help at all. So confidence is something which comes from within. The question of Lipsa is that she has specifically asked to me. She wants to be a civil servant. Lipsa, my best wishes to you Also to
Thank you
Prafulla,
so much, sir.
I wish to see him as a lecturer and you as a civil servant, Lipsa. The same thing. In which class you are? You have completed graduation, post graduation, whatever. Tell me.
ଲିପ୍ସା ସାର୍ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି
Sir, +3 second
Lips.
year,
Which subject?
political science.
So you see, political scientists are here. Madam Jhansi Singh is here, and so she can always motivate you. Uh, so first of all, you have to focus on your paper selection. So I can give the number of one of my friends, so who is a guru, and about 100 of IS officers, okay, are their students from his coaching, and he teaches at Delhi, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So he can guide you on selection of subjects. But before starting any conversation, you should have some basic. So first you focus on which particular political science or public, whatever subject you want to take. So your inherent desire should be reflected in a very very objective manner, right? कौन को सब्जेक्ट नबाकू चाहूच सेटा सुंदर भाबरे आसीबा दरकार आउ then today getting civil service has become actually objective. It is not like the old days in which coaching centers were producing civil servants. Now, without attending any coaching center, you can also achieve civil service. So it has been redesigned accordingly. So I can give the number of my friend. He will be a true guide, a very good individual. Okay, you can talk to him. I am not in that profession, and I have never appeared in civil service examination because my focus was to become a teacher, and I am happy that I am a teacher now. So I should not speak much about that. Only thing I can help you, that I can talk to my friend, that Lipsa from Koraput. You are from Koraput or some other district?
Yes, sir, Koraput.
Lipsa, you belong to Koraput?
Yes.
So I will inform about you to him. So he can give you the number. So you take my number and you can be in. But Prafulla, you be in touch with Jhansi madam. So there should not be any confidence lacking. Anyway, I stop here because we crossed the time.
Thank you, sir. Hard labor never be undivided. So, Prafulla, sir jaha कहले hard labor करिବାକୁ पड़िबो. Then time प्रकृତରେ बेसी ହେଇची. विपिन sir message रे लिखिचंदी माध्यमिक शिक्षा व्यवस्था रु आरंभ होबा दरकार. Sir प्रकृତରେ you are absolutely right, sir. कारण फाउंडेशन ठीक थिले ही कांथटा पिलर भलो हबो बा वाल भलो उठिबो. सर आपनकर मतामत पई कृतज्ञ सर. तेणु समय हिची समय को सम्मान दबा समस्ते. आज पुनी कुमार पूर्णिमा एमिति भी आज भी वर्किंग डे. So now it is time of vote of thanks. Now I would like to request Arun Kumar Tripathi, very active life member of Sri Vivekananda Loka Sansad, to give vote of thanks to our dignitaries, our resource person, our secretary, and also our participants, our dear students. Arun. Arun?
Namaskar to all of you. First of all, my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By His blessing and grace, we are able to make the event what it was. I would like to thank from the core of my heart to the young friends and life members of SBLS from various districts of Odisha and nearby states for their participation in today's webinar. Webinar was successful with your participation. On behalf of SBLS Koraput, I give a really heartfelt vote of thanks to our panelists, Dr. Latika Kumari Mishra and Sri Madhav Kumar Bisui, who spent their busiest time gracing the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to avail such a nice orientation. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. Our young friends must have learned a lot, and that will be very helpful in their career building. A special mention to our adorable General Secretary of SBLS Odisha, Dr. Chittaranjan Nayak, being a catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank you, sir, for giving your valuable message. I would like to express my deep regards to Dr. Jhansi Singh Madam for being a constant motivator and guiding force in all our endeavors to excel in the field of organizing webinars. I would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Ms. Lipsa for presenting the welcome song. It has been my long cherished desire to do something to inspire the youth. Whatever it's God's blessing, and with your help, the program has been successful today. So I thank everyone. We thank you for being with us. It has remained a pronounced pleasure. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun. According to Swamiji, Swami Vivekananda, whatever you think, that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, then strong you will be. ତେଣୁ ଯୁବଗୋଷ୍ଠୀ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କରିବେ, ଯୁବଗୋଷ୍ଠୀ ନିଜକୁ ଜାଣିବେ, ନିଜକୁ ଜଣେଇବେ, ଶିଖିବେ, ଶିଖେଇବେ, ନିଜ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ତିଆରି କରିବେ, ନିଜର ଚରିତ୍ର ଗଠନ କରିବେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଅମିତା ମ୍ୟାଡାମଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ସେ ଶାନ୍ତି ପାଠ କରିବେ। ଅମିତା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ।
Thank you, Jhansi madam. Om Do Shantihi Rantarikshah Santihi Prithvi Shantihi Rapah Shantihi Raushadhayah Shantihi वनस्पतयः शान्तिः विश्वदेवा शान्तिः ब्रह्मा शान्तिः सर्वः शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti 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 Namaste. Thank you all.
धन्यवाद अमिता। आज कार्यक्रम को एक रखा समस्त नमस्कार।
Chile so happy.
करके